Hey guys, my name is Morgan Strapart and I am a senior at Sunset High School. I am a tea enthusiast, especially when it comes to bubble teas. I haven't had a job for a while, so affording bubble teas from shops has been very challenging, but I found a solution. I can just make my own. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to make my favorite drink ever, the fantastic iced matcha bubble tea. Do you ever get tired of driving out, grabbing your wallet, and spending all your valuable cash on a drink you'll sip within a minute? Well, my friends, for my fellow bubble tea lovers, this homemade recipe is just for you. It'll help you save gas, money, and most importantly, you'll know what you're genuinely drinking. None of those added sugars and syrups here. My special iced matcha bubble tea recipe originally came from Google, but I turned it up a notch to please my taste buds. After being a bubble tea addict for many years, I've decided to start making my teas at home for the well-being of my wallet and myself. My parents, especially my mom, hates bubble tea, and especially the tapioca pearls. Would you believe me if I told you my recipe made her like bubble tea? Whenever I make bubble teas at home, she always hollers out and convinces me to make her one as well. I've mastered how to cook the boba, whisk the matcha, and produce a beautiful, tasty drink after making this drink over 20 times. For this video, you will learn how to create a delicious drink and a new way to save your money. Bubble tea ingredients may seem expensive when you buy them all at once in the store, but so many drinks can be produced for the same cost of a few teas at your favorite bubble tea place. The three most important steps to making this tea is first, getting all your material and ingredients out. So first, you're going to need a small saucepan to cook the tapioca pearls and a saucepan lid as well. You are going to need a cup for your final drink, a bowl to whisk your matcha mixture in, a small coffee cup to make your sugar mixture, a strainer for the boba, a matcha whisk, whichever one you have works, and if you don't have a whisk, you can always use a spoon, a bubble tea straw for your final product, and measuring cups. For the ingredients, you will need 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or any sugar of your choice. You can replace it with honey or maple syrup. 1/4 a cup of tapioca pearls, 1 cup of 2% milk or any milk of your choice, some water, so about 4 cups of water to cook the tapioca in, as well as some water for the matcha, and around 1 cup of ice for the final drink. The second step is making the matcha mixture itself, the tapioca pearls, and the sugar mixture. The third and final step is assembling the drink and enjoying its incredible flavors. The first step is to place your saucepan with 4 cups of water inside above the stove and turn on the heat on high until the water boils. While you're waiting for your water to boil, grab your matcha powder, your measuring cups, a small bowl, and your matcha whisk. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of matcha powder into the bowl, then add 1/4 cup of water. Then whisk the matcha until there's no visible clumps of the powder, then set aside. Once the matcha tea itself is made and set aside, we can now make the tapioca pearls. First, measure out 1/4 of a cup of tapioca pearls and then put them into your boiling water. This next step might sound confusing, but watch the boba pearls rolling around in the water until they start to float. Once you notice they all start floating their way up to the top, place your saucepan cover and set a timer for 2.5 minutes. Once your timer goes off, turn it off. Turn off the heat and remove your saucepan from the heat. Then take off the cover. Let the boba sit around in the water for another 2.5 minutes before draining them. While your tapioca pearls are cooling down and sitting in their warm water away from the heat, we can make the sugar mixture. My personal favorite sugar in my bubble teas is brown sugar, which I will be demonstrating. Grab 1 coffee cup and place 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water. I tend to like mine on the sweeter side, so I use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Once the sugar and water are placed inside your cup, make your way to your microwave and place your cup in for 30 seconds so that your sugar has time to dissolve. Once the 30 seconds are over, take out your cup and set it aside. Once your tapioca have sat in the water for 2.5 minutes, take your saucepan and strain the boba. Then, take your sugar mixture and place the boba in it. And set it aside. Once you followed all those previous steps, you are now ready to create your final product. First things first, grab your glass cup and then place your tapioca and sugar mixture in it. Next, place 1 cup of ice on top of the sugar mixture and the boba. Then, you can pour 1 cup of milk on top of the ice and the boba sugar mixture. Last but not least, grab your matcha mixture and pour it on top of the milk. Then give it a good stir. And voila, your final product. It tastes exactly how it looks. Smooth, delicious, and comforting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my how to make an iced matcha bubble tea, and I hope you'll give it a try at your house. My ultimate goal was to make you guys become masters at making this enjoyable drink. So now it's your turn. Remember, first, get your materials and ingredients out, then follow the specific steps on how to make the different components of the tea, like the matcha mixture, the sugar mixture, and the tapioca pearls, and then put together your drink and give it a nice little stir and enjoy. For my fellow bubble tea lovers out there, this recipe will help you save money and is guaranteed to make your taste buds tingle and dance out of joy and deliciousness. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed this special edition of how to make an iced matcha bubble tea with me.